Hello, I'm Dr. Victoria Brooks. Every day, I share real effective ways to help men restore their strength and confidence. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. Let's get started. Today, I'm going to reveal a method that can profoundly improve your testosterone, revitalize your libido, and restore the kind of sexual energy that will leave your partner amazed. This isn't hype. There's solid science behind it. But what makes it truly powerful is not just what you take, but how you take it. We're not talking about standard capsules or pills that get partially destroyed by your digestive system. The method I'm sharing is sublingual absorption, placing herbal extracts under your tongue so they enter your bloodstream directly through the highly vascular tissue in your mouth. This approach bypasses the digestive system and liver, delivering higher concentrations of active compounds quickly and efficiently. It's the same principle used in medications for heart patients or certain fast-acting painkillers. The results are fast, potent, and reliable. Let's start with the most impactful herbs to take sublingually before bed, beginning with one that has been trusted for centuries and now has modern research confirming its effects. The number one herb I recommend is Tongkat Ali, also known as Eurycoma longifolia or longjack. Native to Southeast Asia, Tongkat Ali has a long history as a male vitality enhancer. Modern studies show it significantly increases testosterone levels. One trial found men experienced a 37% average increase in testosterone after just 5 weeks. Beyond testosterone, it improves libido, erectile function, sperm quality, and overall sexual satisfaction. What makes Tongkat Ali especially unique is its ability to increase free testosterone, the type that actually activates receptors in your body. As men age, much of their testosterone binds to a protein called sex hormone binding globulin, which renders it inactive. Tongkat Ali reduces these binding proteins, unlocking your body's available testosterone. The combination of increased production and more free testosterone can enhance energy, muscle mass, fat loss, libido, and sexual performance. Additionally, Tongkat Ali lowers cortisol, the stress hormone. Cortisol suppresses testosterone when chronically elevated. So by normalizing stress levels, Tongkat Ali creates an optimal hormonal environment for sexual function and vitality. For sublingual use, choose a high-quality Tongkat Ali extract, standardized to at least 1% eurycomanone, one of its key active compounds. About 30 to 60 minutes before bed, place 20 to 30 drops under your tongue and hold for 60 to 90 seconds. Then swallow. Most men notice energy and libido improvements within 1 to 2 weeks, with more significant sexual function benefits developing over 4 to 8 weeks of consistent use. Next, we have ashwagandha, a powerful adaptogenic herb used in Ayurvedic medicine for thousands of years. Adaptogens help the body adapt to stress and maintain balance, and ashwagandha is among the most potent known. Research shows it increases testosterone, improves sperm quality, enhances sexual function, reduces anxiety, and promotes overall vitality. In one study, men taking ashwagandha for 8 weeks experienced a 15% average increase in testosterone. Ashwagandha also reduces cortisol, supports thyroid function, protects testosterone-producing cells with antioxidants, and alleviates anxiety, including performance anxiety. For sublingual use, select a liquid extract standardized to 5% with analytes or higher. Take 20 to 30 drops under your tongue before bed, holding for 60 to 90 seconds. Its calming effects make it ideal for nighttime use, improving sleep while supporting overnight testosterone production. Another incredibly effective option is Korean red ginseng or Panax ginseng, not to be confused with American or Siberian ginseng. Korean red ginseng contains active compounds called ginsenosides, which have been extensively studied for male sexual health. Research shows it improves erectile function, sexual satisfaction, and overall sexual performance. It works by increasing nitric oxide production, the molecule that relaxes blood vessels and supports erections. Korean red ginseng also boosts energy, reduces fatigue, enhances cognitive function, and supports overall vitality. For sublingual use, take 20 to 40 drops under the tongue, hold for 60 to 90 seconds, then swallow. Take it in the early evening if you are sensitive to its mild stimulating effects. Next is horny goatweed, or epimedium, which contains a compound called ikarin. Ikarin works as a natural PDE5 inhibitor, supporting blood flow to the penis, similarly to pharmaceutical erectile dysfunction medications, but without side effects. Horny goatweed also contains flavonoids that improve circulation and cardiovascular health, which directly enhances sexual performance. Use a sublingual extract standardized to 10 to 20% ikarin, 20 to 30 drops about an hour before bed, holding for 60 to 90 seconds before swallowing. Muirapuama, or potency wood, is a Brazilian herb traditionally used as an aphrodisiac. Research supports its use in enhancing libido, erectile function, and sexual satisfaction. It may work by improving sensitivity to sexual stimuli, boosting blood flow to the genital area, and supporting healthy testosterone levels. Muirapuama also has adaptogenic properties and may support brain neurotransmitter balance. Take 20 to 30 drops sublingually before bed, holding for 60 to 90 seconds. Another option is Tribulus terrestris, which has a long history in male sexual health. Research shows it may increase luteinizing hormone, stimulating the testes to produce testosterone. Some studies report improvements in libido, sexual satisfaction, and erectile function. Tribulus also contains saponins that may directly improve sexual function independently of testosterone. Use a sublingual extract standardized to at least 40% saponins, 20 to 30 drops under the tongue before bed. Finally, fenugreek extract is highly effective sublingually. Fenugreek inhibits the enzymes that convert testosterone into other hormones, maintaining higher levels of free testosterone. Studies demonstrate increases in libido, sexual function, strength, body composition, and vitality, especially in men with lower baseline testosterone. Take 20 to 30 drops sublingually before bed, holding for 60 to 90 seconds. Its taste is strong and bitter, but the effects are worth it. Now, why sublingual before bed? Sublingual absorption bypasses the digestive system, delivering higher concentrations of active compounds directly to your bloodstream. Nighttime administration aligns with your body's natural testosterone production during deep sleep. Many of these herbs also enhance sleep quality, creating a positive feedback loop of hormone production. Taken before bed, they remain active overnight, supporting morning erections and vitality. Let's talk about a strategic protocol I call the Nighttime Vitality Stack. On Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, take Tongkat Ali sublingually, 20 to 30 drops. On Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday, take ashwagandha, same dose. On Sunday, take Korean red ginseng. This rotation provides varied mechanisms of support and prevents your body from adapting. After 4 weeks, you can layer additional herbs for enhanced effects. Tomcat Ali plus horny goatweed on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Ashwagandha plus Nirapuama on Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Korean red ginseng plus fenugreek on Sunday. This approach expands benefits as your body adapts. Results take time because these herbs support natural hormone production. Expect initial improvements in energy, mood, sleep, and possibly morning erections within 1 to 2 weeks. Libido and sexual desire typically improve within 3 to 4 weeks. By 6 to 8 weeks, erections become firmer and more sustainable, stamina improves, and sexual satisfaction increases. By 3 months, improvements are usually substantial and long-lasting. Consistency is key. Follow the protocol for at least 2 to 3 months before fully assessing results. Safety is important. If you take medications, especially blood thinners, blood pressure drugs, or diabetes medications, consult your doctor. Those with chronic or hormone-sensitive conditions should get medical clearance. Start one herb at a time to assess tolerance. Purchase high-quality, third-party tested products. Mild side effects are possible. Tongkat Ali may cause anxiety in sensitive individuals. Ashwagandha may cause digestive upset. And Korean red ginseng can be mildly stimulating. Lifestyle factors amplify results. Sleep 7 to 9 hours per night, exercise regularly with resistance training, manage stress through meditation or breathing exercises, eat a hormone-supportive diet rich in protein, healthy fats, and vegetables, and maintain a healthy body weight. Here's a starting plan. Tonight, take 20 drops of Tongkat Ali under your tongue. Hold 90 seconds, then swallow, every night for 2 weeks. After that, add ashwagandha, rotating days as outlined. Track your energy, libido, erections, satisfaction, and well-being in a journal. Consider testosterone testing before starting and after 3 months to measure progress. By combining these herbs with the sublingual method, timing them at night, and integrating healthy lifestyle practices, you can restore sexual vitality, enhance testosterone levels, and experience renewed energy and confidence. This approach is natural, science-backed, and sustainable. Amen. Thank you for watching. If this information helps you, share it with others and subscribe for more strategies to optimize men's health and vitality. Your sexual energy doesn't have to decline with age. With the right support, you can enjoy improved function, increased vitality, and a more confident, energized life.